This video will show you how to easily grab a color hex code while you're inside of Canva. You can also do a color grab from an image that is pre-existing, or just simply pick a color. If you're not in Canva, then you can always grab an extension or an app from your mobile phone in order to do a color grab, in order to figure out a hex code as well. But in this video, I'm just going to stick to Canva and show you. So if you had a pre-existing image, you can go ahead and click on that image, and then you'll see some colors up here. So obviously brown and green are two big ones in this particular image. And if you were to click one, then you can come over here under document colors and click this plus symbol for adding a new color. And right here that's highlighted is the color hex code. So as you were to change this around dragging, then you can see that that code goes and changes. If you aren't to go and do that, then another way that you can obtain the color hex code, if you didn't take it from an actual image that was pre-existing, is you could just create another page here and come up to the background color, go under document colors again, hit the plus symbol, and then you can go and obtain the hex code for the color of your liking. So there you go. That is the easiest way to go and grab the colors. You can also pick colors. So they have a color grab tool here. So no matter where you are on the page, if you saw something that you like, then you could go and grab it, and then it will go directly to that color. Very helpful if you're on a particular website and you saw something that you liked, then you can go ahead and pick a color. Lastly, as I mentioned, you can also go and grab like an extension tool. I have a Chrome extension on here where I could go and pick out colors anywhere on the site, and it'll produce the code right here in the middle where my mouse is hovering around. And that's it for this video.